So in this space, all of our staff, we work one-on-one with our patients. There's never a patient with two people. It's always just one-to-one, so that you can really take the time to teach form and make sure people are doing things correctly, and that they're not overloading or underloading, that they're not doing the same thing every time they come in.
My name is Evangelina Torres, and I am the front desk lead for physical therapy San Pedro. I pretty much just schedule patients. I take all the phone calls, any inquiries that we get patients scheduled and getting them set up to see the therapist. What makes PTSP different is, I would say, they treat you like family. So they just, as you would see your family member, you would want to get them better and them feeling good and walking and moving without pain. It's the friendliness and the family-oriented place that we work on. Dr. Janae, Dr. Bay, and Dr. Silverton are great. For everyone that is looking to move to feel better about themselves, whether that be through Port Town or physical therapy, coming into the gym to work out, we get ages from teenagers to older people, and it's pretty much for everyone.
So if you look at your run-of-the-mill physical therapy clinic, it's in an office building, or it's like in a very office-like setting, and it's really focused on just getting people to get out of pain, which is one aspect of it. But what we do here at PTSP is we get people out of pain, get them back to the sport, and get them doing what they love, knowing that they're not going to get injured again, or we can lower their injury rates. And so we have a really good dynamic of having weights, having a turf, and we have a bunch of different equipment that we can use to help impact the rehabilitation process.
My name is Tori Santiago. I'm a physical therapy aide here. I help with the front desk as well, along with also assisting our dance therapist in what she does with the dance company she works with. What makes PTSP different is that I feel like it's a place that really harbors growth in knowledge and in your personal life as well. I feel like here there's always an opportunity to learn, and then the environment is really encouraging for learning as well. So yeah, and then also something that I really enjoy about working here is that it's very community-based. So some of the benefits for being here as a client and a patient is that you always have access to your care team. We're always here to help check form, help you improve and advance certain exercises as well. This is a good place for anyone who's open just to learning about their bodies, improving how they move, and to be able to move without pain to come to.
My name is Miley Bay Hawkes. I'm known here as Dr. Bay, and I'm a dance physical therapist here at Physical Therapy San Pedro. I treat all sports, but my specialty is dance medicine, and I work with the local dance companies here at San Pedro City Ballet, the Dance Factory, and any other local dancer that wants to come seek me for treatment for an injury, or I go to them and provide strength and conditioning classes. The goal is to bring the dancers cross-training so that they can be stronger dancers and prevent injury. Well, when I saw that Dr. Brown had created a relationship with San Pedro City Ballet and the Dance Factory, I realized that my dream of working with dancers full-time could be achieved here. PTSP is so different because we get to spend extra time with our patients here. At other places I worked, I had to see more patients at one time, so I didn't get to spend as much one-on-one time. I had to be very much repetitive with my treatments. At Physical Therapy San Pedro, I can make any treatment different every day. So I can do a Pilates session one day I can focus on someone's squats, the next day I can focus on their jumps. I don't ever have to do the same thing every session. Once I establish them with their home program, we can use any piece of equipment in this place.
I've worked at several other facilities before, and I probably get to spend the most amount of time with my patients here one-on-one, and the support staff here is fantastic as well. So at Physical Therapy San Pedro, we're allowed the time and the resources in order to treat patients the way we want to treat them without as much restrictions as other clinics may have. You want a physical therapist that understands what you have to do, and in San Pedro there's a lot of longshoremen and a lot of people that have lived and grew up and work in this area. So someone that's familiar with the job duties that come with that, and that's familiar with the area, and having someone that's essentially your go-to person, that if you ever have any issues, then it's easy for you to go see them on a regular basis.